One day, Tom left for the airport with his mom. They both arrived at the airport and went to get their tickets. There was a black cat present there, and it gave Tom an ice cream. Tom took the ice cream and started enjoying it happily. The airplane took off into the sky. Suddenly, Tom started feeling a pain in his stomach. Tom's condition worsened and he started vomiting. Tom's vomiting spread throughout the airplane, filling it up. Seeing Tom's condition, the airplane was forced to make an emergency landing. He was taken to the hospital, and the doctors started treating him. He was now completely fine and very happy.